Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a brother's sewing machine. You can see the knot here. We have two knots. So I'm going to remove the two knots. I'm going to unscrew them by using a screwdriver to remove it. I'm cleaning my Brother XZ2120 Pro machine. So I've removed all the cover that is here. Then I look for a brush that I've already used. So I'm using to clean it now. So you can see that the brush is dirty. You can see dirty stuff on it. So I'm going to remove it. So can you see it? Can you see the dirty? Can you see the dirt? So this might cause your machine not to work perfectly. Clean it again. You can see it. You can see the dirt. So you come in here. You can see the dirt, you know. So you can see it. You can see the dirty. So you remove it. Take it in. And look for the teeth. Then you bring this out. You can see this one. So this one is okay. So that's the end of it. So that's the end of it. What I will do right now is to arrange the parts. Place them. So place it there. Before then, you can oil it. Put your oil. So you apply the oil. After putting the oil, then you knot everything together. You place everything that you've removed. So that's it. Thank you.